Alright, welcome back. In this video, we are going to go over videos and files. So how to put different documents onto your website, and also how to put on videos. Now we're going to start with videos because there's really only one option unless you go and buy or pay for the web editor, which allows you to get access to the HD videos. For us, though, we're just going to be using YouTube. Now, any video that is put on YouTube, you can then use on your website. So if I drag in YouTube, it provides me with an open box, and I can add a video to my site. Now, if I click here, all I need to do is find the URL of the video I want to use and enter it in. I've got some spacing options here. I can change its alignment. But for the most part, it's pretty much going to be standard right in the center with your URL on YouTube. Now, if you have a personal video that you shot yourself that you want to put up onto here, you will unfortunately have to upload it to YouTube first under your account, and then search and find the video URL for your video so you can play it. Unfortunately, any other video site that is available online, like Vimeo, you will not be able to use on your website because this is exclusively YouTube. That is the only video type that you will be able to use here. So from there, once you find your video and you enter in your URL, so let's say you want to use a video, we'll use, in this case, you just got to find the URL. I'm going to use one of my favorite video series, Crash Course. So I copy and pasted the URL, enter it, and then my video, once it finds it, should show up. So as you can see, here is my video, completely available, that can then be watched on my website. For the most part, there really isn't a whole lot of sizing options. You pretty much are stuck with this standard formatting. If you want to move it around, you can do just like anything else. You can drag and drop it and move it. But for the most part, you are stuck with standard formatting size. If you want to get rid of your video, once again, just click in the corner, hit delete. Now, one of the other things you can add on to your project is a document. So on this provides a actual Scribd document loader. If you have a Scribd account and you have uploaded anything to Scribd, you will be able to use that file and upload it directly to here so that somebody can view it. In this case, we're going to upload a file. I am going to use probably one of my students' projects beforehand. So we're going to use a solar cooker cap practice project that I gave to my students earlier. We'll just hit open. It'll upload the file. And once it's completed, it may have to convert your document. Now that it's completed, you can see here is my whole document up on the website, complete with a scroll bar and a 2-page selection. So anybody that now comes to my website can scroll through this and go to either one of the pages to view the project here on your website. It can work with pretty much any document that you want to utilize. Most of the stuff that I use when I put documents up is just using Word. So if you have any Word projects you want to put on here, by all means, you can just upload them, put them up, and anyone can look at them. Now, if you want them to just have a file that they can download, you can take a doc file, drag and drop that in, and upload a simple file. So I'm going to download that same file, and right here is my solar cooker. I will hit open. And now I've got a download file with a link that I can click to download this file from my website. You can change its position left, right. There really isn't a whole lot you can do. There's no nice alignment that you can put in the center. But once you get that set up, you'll have a download document. Here, it's generally a more practical link as far as telling the user exactly what this is for. Unlike with some of the buttons options, if you wanted to download a file using the button, you can do that as well. It looks nicer than just having the Solo Cooker Cat Practice doc. I generally prefer to use the buttons, but if you'd like to just have the file and download file option, by all means, you can use this. So that's pretty much it for this section. The next section that we're going to be going over is some of the more advanced features, such as putting in multimedia into your project and social networking options. So that will be the last video, so I will see you then.